fog's coming early today.
Check the knots again, Pemba.
They are strong. The hooks are ready.
This morning we only check hives and herd. Main harvest waits for another day.
We move with the weather.
Ainamsa, बाटो धेरै साङ्कुरो छ।
हजुर, धेरै होशियार गर्नुपर्छ।
Stay close. Follow the rope, not the view.
छिटो, समात्नुहोस्।
This trail is memory. Today, fog hides it, but stone is still here.
We set up here. Check the ropes carefully.
Okay. How long until sunset?
It's damp today. Smoke will be heavy and low.
All right, push it out slowly. It's in the groove. Hand me the rope.
All tight. Stay strong, brother.
I am ready.
Ready.
Move the fire! Wrong side!
Are you all right up there?
Status check.
This section here is the dark brood.
Yes, move that to the left pile. The red goes here for medicine.
For the pain, not for dreams.
Make sure the baskets are secure on Bam.
I've got the ropes coiled. Are the ladders stacked?
Yes, we are ready to move.
Bear knows the season. Smells honey and goats.
Stop! Wait for my signal. Mark, get down low on the left. Stay focused on the bear.
Back now!
¡Vete de aquí! ¡Fuera! ¡Rápido!
This falls next time.
We need rock, not sticks here.
This evening, new wall. One that keeps goats and honey both. Place the heavy stones along this line. We need more for the next layer.
This scent brought him. Tonight, these sleep in stone. Careful on this section. Steady now.
Almost there. The cave is just ahead.
We are almost in the shade.
The day is done, the shadows grow long.
Pass through safely.
Thank you. Be well.
The queen was active today.
Look at these.
Worth it for the honey, though.
This one is for the medicine stores.
And this darker piece should be set aside for the food.
This tastes good after a long day. We earn this rest.
We'll need new lines before the next harvest. These won't hold.
Agreed. We should start weaving next week.
Good morning, my beautiful ones. Did you sleep well?
Fog, bees, bear, same mountain. We stay alive between them.